Hello and welcome back to EVERBEE Gardening. In this video I review the Upyard GardenBox. During the New Year's sales, I purchased from Wickes a couple of raised beds for £17 each, reduced from £24. The Upyard GardenBox is a modular raised bed system made of pine wood and steel hinges, with metal pins used to attach the box together. The dimensions are approximately height 195 by width 800 by length 1200 millimeters, with a capacity of 0.96 cubic meters or about 187 liters of compost. The thickness of the certified sustainable wood panels is 15 millimeters, and the packed weight is 8.5 kilograms. This is okay for my purposes, but may not be suitable if you require larger or custom-sized beds. However, the stackability of this system makes the product more versatile. The height can simply be adjusted by stacking multiple boxes, although for safety reasons, I wouldn't stack more than 5 beds. Delivered flat-packed with simple and clear instructions, the garden box is quick and easy to assemble. In under 10 minutes I had single-handedly built the box without using any tools. The wood has a smooth planed finish and looks pleasing. The quality of the materials used is good, but I would recommend that you treat both the wooden and metal elements of the bed to prolong life. The pine has been planed to a smooth finish, so treating it should be a fairly simple task. At £17, the product is on the pricey side, but as I don't have ready access to pallet collars which can be sourced very cheaply or in some cases for free, this was the cheapest and quickest solution available to me. The convenience of free delivery also plays a factor. At £24 plus delivery costs, however, that would prove too much for most gardeners' budgets, including mine. I would strongly suggest treating the wooden panels and metal hinges with non-toxic preserve and using liners, such as recycled compost bags, to help prolong the bed's life. This, of course, will add more time and expense to the project. At the sale price, the Upyard GardenBox offers a fairly reasonably priced solution for those looking to quickly and easily create a raised bed garden. Considering its eco-friendly materials, modularity and ease of assembly, for £17 per bed, it presents fair value for gardeners seeking a balance between quality and affordability, or for those with limited DIY skills seeking a quick and easy project. However, at the standard price of £24, the cost-effectiveness is drastically lowered, especially if you decide to treat the product to ensure long life. The Upyard GardenBox is a versatile and eco-friendly solution for gardeners aiming to create quickly organized and aesthetically pleasing raised beds. Its modular design and ease of assembly are significant advantages, though considerations regarding costs, durability and size should be taken into account based on your planting needs. I hope you found this video useful. You can find links to this product and other related resources in the description box. If you have this product, please share your thoughts and how you use it in your garden. Thanks very much for watching. Here's what you can watch next. Happy gardening!